Hi guys, it's Colette, and today for Water Marble March we're going to be working on this Holo and Multichrome combo. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using today are a combination of Holo Taco Holos and Multichromes. First we've got Magenta Jelly, then Purple with Envy, Purple Slushie, Blue Ain't Slick, and finally Blue Freezie, which is also going to be my base color. Once I've got that applied, I'm going to protect around my nails using tape as well as protective peel. As usual, for water marbling, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once I've completed the bullseye, I'm going to go ahead and pull from the center out in 8 points, and then I'll be pulling back in between each of those towards the middle. Once you've got your design in the cup, you can go ahead and figure out where you want to dip and line up your nails. And then I'm just going to go ahead and dip in. Go ahead and clean off any excess polish from the surface of the water so it doesn't stick to your design. And then I'm going to slowly pull my nails out. And there's the water marble. Going to remove the protection, then do the rest of my nails, and move on to cleanup. Once I've finished all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and do cleanup using a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as underneath the nail, and then moving in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. cleanup, I pushed the bubbles as flat as I could, and now I'm going to finish with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I have to admit I'm falling more in love with this the more I look at it. These weren't the colors I was originally planning on using today, so the whole thing came together as kind of a happy accident, and even the mistakes all ended up turning out mostly alright. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time to really show off the holo as well as the multichrome. And if you'd like to check out the extended tutorial where it all went down, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.